Hey, Cal here, ValleyTech Custom Solutions. Last week I was reached out to by a representative from a company called ANENG, and they apparently make a few smart tools, and I was interested in possibly trying them out. And they so graciously sent out their new smart multimeter. So we're going to test it out today and see if it fits my needs. Hopefully your needs too. Now here's the thing, ValleyTech Solutions is a small business and we're a small channel. So we are happy to test out different products by different companies as long as they're within what we like to do. And multimeters is definitely something that I would love to go over because I feel like I can't have enough multimeters, and it gives me the opportunity to show people different products and tools that they can use in their everyday projects. And a lot of you that are trying to build up your tool base and gather yourself enough equipment to be able to know what you're doing probably don't have the money to buy a Fluke or different multimeters of different ranges. From my research on this multimeter, it's relatively inexpensive as opposed to some other smart multimeters, and hopefully it meets your needs. And hopefully it meets my expectations. Oh, it comes in a nice bag. What do we got? We've got some needle terminals and some extra connectors right here. Nice. Okay, we've got our extra contacts right here. We got a nice nifty bag, a manual, the caps that I just pulled out of these. This is actually quite nice. Min-max, ooh, that right there. That button is slightly dented in. That's a little under 6 inches. Yeah, that's a little under 6 inches long and about 3 inches wide. This is quite nice. It gives you temps as well. I gotta keep it at a tilt to make sure this is good. Okay, let's try out the flashlight real quick. Oh, that turned on the flashlight. Okay, what's this do? Oh, that's a laser pointer. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, that's pretty nifty. I'm definitely going to use that with the cat. So it takes 3 AAA batteries. Get this nice little wrist strap on the side. True auto. Oh, you can hear a click on the inside. So there's you definitely got something going on in there. So this is the 622B multimeter. Smart multimeter rather. And we're going to actually test this out. It's not touchscreen. All right, let's see if we can test continuity. All right. Okay, let's test it again. Put there. All right, continuity works perfect. That's mostly what I need it for. And we can measure caps, that's nice. Now let's test it in the realm of microcontrollers. All right, that's reading perfectly. 3.3. 5. 5 volt. Give us 5. 5.5. 5.4. All right. 3.3 again. Okay. Three. So I'm gonna be real with you. This, for its price point, is a pretty decent multimeter. It does exactly what I needed to, which is mostly check voltage and check continuity. And it's pretty loud. The added laser pointer and the flashlight seem more fun than necessary, but they are nifty. I think this is perfect for STEM projects. I mean, it measures DC voltage, AC voltage, resistance, diode mode, capacitance. It's auto ranging. Like, this is, it's a nice device. I would say it's perfect for microcontroller projects, computer repair, laptop repair, and I like the fact that it comes with a cat toy. I feel like that's what has me sold on this. Now, I would wholeheartedly recommend this for anybody who wants to get themselves a beginner set of tools. It seems perfect for repair techs, hobbyists, and makers alike. And I like it because I know a lot of people who refuse to pay fluke money, and I don't blame them. So, budget-friendly smart multimeter, this is definitely a nice choice. It's definitely built to be dropped, I'll tell you that much. If you consider getting one, the link is in the description down below. And if you like this video, like, comment, maybe subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you so much for all the love and support, because you guys are awesome. And if you wanted to support us and maybe rock some Valley Tech merch, we actually just got these bandanas, and they're available on our website, valleytechsolutions.tech. Thank you so much for all the love and support. You guys are awesome.